Just one misconfiguration could bring an entire office building, a whole school, or even a complete production line to a standstill. But did you know? With just one platform, even non-IT staff can now solve 90% of problems by themselves. Today, we unveil the mystery behind ACTi VMS Technical Support and show you why it has become the ultimate weapon for security management in business, education, and factory environments. Let's start with the power of hands-on tools. The ACTi VMS Technical Support platform allows security guards, school officers, or shift leaders, people without IT backgrounds, to easily handle system activation, integration, and recovery. Whether in an office building security room, a school administration office, or a factory control center, the visual interface enables fast deployment, reducing dependency on IT teams or integrators, while minimizing waiting time and misoperation risks. Next, discover the all-in-one diagnostic tool. With a single click, it generates a full report including system specs, service status, SQL database connectivity, and device health. From campus servers to factory backups or corporate control rooms, issues can be quickly pinpointed and logs sent directly to ACTi engineers, greatly speeding up resolution. Third, let's highlight the DB Builder magic, self-repair for damaged data. Even after HDD removal, recording interruptions, or power outages, you can scan and rebuild video archives with one click. Whether it's exam surveillance in schools, production line monitoring in factories, or access control in office buildings, recordings are automatically recovered in no time, safeguarding critical evidence and reducing data recovery costs. Finally, explore the self-learning resources. ACTi provides complete tutorials and PDFs covering installation, license activation, SMTP setup, ONDIF integration, and CMS connections. Security staff, administrators, and operators can follow step-by-step guides for easy setup. For onboarding new employees or cross-department handovers, it's a lifesaver, empowering users to take full control of their systems. You may ask, why not Milestone? Our answer is simple. ACTi's technical support platform not only delivers full functionality but also costs 50% less than Milestone, with no annual maintenance fees. For system integrators, this means offering enterprise-level services at lower costs, boosting win rates. For end users, it means higher autonomy, faster troubleshooting, and lower total ownership costs. Click the link below to explore product details or contact our consultants today and make your security system smarter and more reliable.